This old Ford's got a rattle to it. The owner says it sounds like it's coming from around where the transmission is. So I've got it up in the air. We're gonna put you underneath and I'll start it up so you can hear what it sounds like. Maybe we can find out where it's coming from. Okay, this is the driver's side catalytic converter. And we come over here to the passenger side. This is the passenger side one. Do you hear a difference? So, I don't know what's going on exactly, but this thing has 4 brand new oxygen sensors. And I'm gonna pull this one out. I'm gonna go ahead and have a look at this catalytic converter. What I think is happening, so we got some little piece of broken material in there kind of rattling around. Let me get that off. We'll see what it looks like. All right, I'm underneath. I want to see what it looks like inside that catalytic converter. So we're going in through the O2 sensor hole and we're going to look up. All right, first things first, this is not the original cat for a Ford. This is an aftermarket unit. Looks really white and clean, and also that substrate you can see in there, that's not what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to have smaller holes and a different shape, but that's neither here nor there. If you see how rough it looks there at the bottom, let me vibrate it real quick for you. I don't know if that picks up too well on camera, but I can see the substrate sort of vibrating inside there. It looks like it's loose. You can also see around the edges there. Right there around the edge, it looks like it's separated. So I'm gonna pull this exhaust out and have a better look at it, but I think what we're looking at here is a failed catalytic converter. All right, I've got new aftermarket catalytic converters here. I'm gonna pull those bung plugs out and get this thing all hooked up, and then we can see if we fix the problem. All right, I have both the catalytic converters off. This is the passenger side. Looks pretty hollow. There's not much left in there. You can compare that to the driver's side, which, there you go. You see that honeycomb material down there? Yeah, there's the honeycomb for the driver's side. That's supposed to be there. And she's missing from the passenger side. All right, it's time to see if we got this thing fixed. Let's have a look underneath here. We have brand new, super shiny, catalytic converters going all the way back to the Y there. So let's have a look at this. Oh, it sounds not hollow. Also same here, no tinging noise. All right, so now we're gonna do just like before. I'll keep you under here so you can see and hear, and we'll see if we got this thing fixed. All right, place your bets. Did we get it right, or does it need a new transmission? Give it a little bit of gas. Just got back from a test drive and everything went flawlessly. No check engine light and no more noise, so that's good. And it's not a transmission issue, which the owner was really worried about. He wanted to make sure that this wasn't going to go out of his budget. No problem, it's only a few $100. So that's awesome. As far as fitment goes, everything fit real good, no problems there, bolted right up, which can get a little sketchy when you're dealing with these aftermarket catalytic converters, but this one went pretty well. I'm glad you came along with me though, because I wanted you to hear and see what it is that makes that particular noise. So I'm hoping that was helpful to you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.